it is time now to focus more on India-China ties, though a lot of the analysts that one has been speaking to are extremely cautious, given, the past which we have seen, so wary of China, and, often in the past one has been let down and can't really trust China, is the sentiment that is, broadly agreed upon. However, given the situation currently with the United States, also the interests regarding the economy because of the tariffs and the sanctions, it is a big blow to the Indian economy, and therefore these ties with China, with Russia could help. So analysts believe that India, Russia, China can work together to reduce dependence on the United States. So that is something that many are now pointing to, that if the three countries can really work together and come to various agreements, it is something that will create less dependence on the United States, especially at a time when Donald Trump is really upending the entire world order. Likely diversification of export markets could take place. India-China ties could also help in terms of supply chain. So that is something that is very interesting, that this is something that could lead to closer trilateral ties between the three countries, could improve, open up fresh avenues and fresh supply chains, which could help the rest of the world, boost to the idea of Make in Asia for Asia. So that is another, positive that could possibly emerge going forward. Right now, of course, one must be very, very cautious. It is early days yet. It is the first, bilateral meeting between Modi and Xi Jinping in China. Of course, last year we did see that meeting that took place in Kazan, but this is, as we said, incremental steps. However, this could help this trilateral sort of, the grouping could somehow help in a time when there's so much chaos in the world order, given the kind of trade pressure, the tariff pressure that one is seeing from Donald Trump. So a lot of positivity and, of course, a lot of speculation. We must, as we keep emphasizing, it's early days yet. Many analysts are, however, very, very cautious right now. This is, one small step in the normalization of ties between India and China.